Laid back with a fat ass, watch it bounce. You know the facts, at the eye smash, I bounce. We don't fake flex, we just chase checks that don't bounce. Break necks, once that bass hit, let it bounce. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for that bankroll, yeah. Bankroll, yeah, bounce it for.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. As I said last week, this was a two-part series. Last week we did the splitter, and now it's time to do the side skirts on the Hulk. These products were sponsored to me by Enforcedaero, and as you've seen from last week's video, they're really dope products. It is like 30 degrees outside, so it is freezing, but I got to get this done because we're supposed to be expecting some snow tomorrow. Obviously, first things, guys, you want to do is make sure you put your car on some ramps. If you have enough clearance, you don't need jacks to do the back. I don't think I'll be using jacks today, but definitely the cold is making it very difficult to do this task because my hands are freezing already and I've been outside for like 10 minutes. So anyway, the car is on the ramp and now I got to take some measurements. All right, people, so this is a side skirt extension right here from Enforcedaero. It's a very nice piece. Custom winglets as well, just like the splitter. So what we got here, they have 10 pre-drilled holes about 1 inch, because obviously, you know, OCD, I measured it already. It's about approximately 1 inch from the end right here. So what I will be doing is I'm gonna measure about 1 inch and 1/8 to about 1.5 inches from the end of this side skirt in. So this will have a nice flat seat under the side skirt that's on the car already. So I will be measuring about somewhere around 1.25 inches, 1.8 inches to about 1.5 inches in underneath the side skirt. All right, folks, so I just checked the measurement. As I said before, these holes are drilled in from the end right here to 1 inch to the center of this hole right here. So the magic number underneath this bad boy, the magic number underneath here, it's 1.25 inches. So pretty much this hole, the hole on the side skirt is gonna be about approximately 1/4 inch in, and that is the magic number right there. Oh shoot, that's a rare sighting right there. She finally came out of hiding. She came out to give me a little bit of assist. Yup, that's the wife right there. We'll see how long that lasts. I ain't gonna lie, that little tiny hand drill was the best thing ever. Just the right amount of torque for the freaking screws and it could fit anywhere. Shit is sweet. Damn, shit is freaking dope. Probably the easiest install I ever did. You just gotta get somebody to help you hold the side skirt, but damn, flush. Woo, this shit is so nice, They made this thing perfect. Oh man, I'm happy. All right, so now that we got that side done, time to put this side on real quick. Also got a nice little sticker to slap on the winglet on this bad boy, and that's really it. Here we go. remember I told y'all when my wife finally showed up and she came out of hiding? Guess what? You see her now? She's like, oh, I'm just going inside real quick. She ain't come back. You see me holding this shit over my damn foot by myself? Yup. This is the same BS I'm talking about. She just forgot about me high and dry. Oh, look who showed up. This is a time lapse, so it's been a long time until she got back there. Another side in. Looks freaking perfect. Looks freaking dope. As I said, guys, this is it's a pretty simple install. You just need another set of hands, but as you saw on this side, I pretty much did it by myself until she came back. I think she forgot me. She definitely forgot about me. So, a couple things, guys. Enforcedaero, they make a really good product. Also, get good helpers. Anyway, let me take the car down, and you'll see it on the flat surface. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Hulk sitting nice and pretty. Enforcedaero, check him out. Use my name Wicked Whips for a pretty decent discount. This thing is beautiful. What a dope piece. Or pieces, I should say. So now we're not only aggressive from the back, shoot, we aggressive from the sides and the front. Clean ass wheels. Beautiful. All right, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Peace.